Hi, Darren Thompson here with Your Entrepreneur Inside. I want to bring you no-nonsense information on how to choose, set up, and get the most out of a cloud VoIP phone system for medical offices, dental offices, and small businesses. I personally am a small business owner, and more important to the authority and credibility of providing you advice and counsel on medical and dental office phone systems is the fact that my wife is a dentist, has her own private practice in Austin, and I was responsible for choosing and setting up the phone system in her office, and to this day am responsible for all things phone system related. So yes, I'm a real person with hands-on phone system experience, so I know what I'm talking about. And I have an advocate personality type and want to create and deliver value to help small business owners and office managers trying to make informed decisions about their business. If anything I have created has brought you value or informed you in some way, I'd be honored if you would 1. Subscribe, 2. Like, and 3. Comment. It does mean a lot to me personally. Thank you so much.